So the first question, what is an answer, beta? What will be the
12.
frequency of oscillation of kinetic energy if the frequency of oscillation of the particle executing the SHM is f? It will be 2 times of f, because from mean to extreme, extreme to your mean.
Mean, yes.
Okay, so total will be equal to your 2f. Second question to do. Find the ratio of kinetic energy and potential energy when the particle is executing the SHM is at x is equals to your a by 2 part relation. So right now,
Yes.
I'll write here. I'll keep here the word solutions. So for the first one, the answer is how much for me? 2f. For second one is asking, now see the question better. Find the ratio of kinetic energy and potential energy when the particle executing SHM is at your a by 2, from mean position, from your mean position, where a is your amplitude, part of relation. Now first tell me what will be the kinetic energy formula beta. Kinetic energy will be equal to your, this will be equal to half into m into your v square. So that will be equal to your half into your m. V will be equal to your omega square into a square minus of your x square. Yes. So now x value is given how much for me? Given for me, given x is equals to how much for me, or a by 2. So kinetic energy will become for me how much? Kinetic energy is equals to half into m into your omega square into a square minus x is nothing but of your a by 2 whole square. Isn't it? That means a square by your 4. So this will become for me how much? Half into m into omega square into a square will out. So this is 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is how much?
3 by 4. Sir.
3 by 4. So this will be equal to half into m into your omega square a square into your 3 by 4. 4 to the 8. That means this will become for me 3 by 8 into your m into omega square into your a square. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then potential energy. Potential energy formula chepparana. Potential energy is equals to half into k into your x square. So that this is m into omega square can be written as k only, kada?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this will be equal to that much only. So this will be equal to half into k. X value is given how much for me? A by 2 whole square. That means a square by 4. 4 to the 8.
Yes, sir.
That means this will become for me how much, beta? Half into m into omega square into a square divided by 4. 4 to the 8. That means this will become for me how much? 1 by 8. It is 1 by 8 into m into omega square into your a square. Is asking the ratio of your kinetic energy divided by your potential energy. Rounded ratio this ko m omega square will get cancelled. So this will be equal to how much for me? 3:1.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Chalo, very good. Let us try to go for the next question. That is nothing but number 3. See the question number 3, beta. A particle of mass 0.2 kg executing the SHM, executing the simple harmonic oscillations along the x-axis with a frequency of 25 by pi hertz. At a position x is equal to 0.04 meter, the particle has a kinetic energy of 0.5 joules and potential energy of 0.4 joules. Find the amplitude of your oscillation. Very good question, beta. First, try to understand the question carefully. A particle of mass, how much, beta? 0.2 kg is executing the SHM, a simple harmonic oscillation along the x-axis with the frequency. Frequency is given how much for me?
25.
Frequency is given as of your 25 by your pi hertz. Mass of the particle is 0.2 kg. At a position x is equals to 0.4 meter, the particle has the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is 0.5 and potential energy is 0.4 joule. Find the amplitude of your oscillation. Find the amplitude of your oscillation part of relation. So let me try to talk about right now. You know the time period of oscillation of a spring is given by the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of your m by your k. Mass is given for me. So reciprocal of a time period is nothing but frequency. Kada? So frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root of your, this will become for me k by r. Frequency is given how much for me? 25 by your pi. That is given in the problem. That is equals to 1 by your 2 pi under root of your k. Mass is given how much for me? 0.2. See here, mass is given as of your 0.2 kg. Frequency is given as of your 25 by pi. So from this one, this pi and this pi will get cancelled right now for me. So k value will come out for me how much? See how much I'm getting right now. K value will be equal to your, this will become for me how much, beta? K square, this is 25 and 5.5 by 2. And this will become for me how much, beta? 50 kada? 25 to the, this will be equal to 50. 50 whole square into your point. ఇది ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా 2 into 25 50. దీంట్లో ఎంత వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి 0.2 మిగులుతుంది. రూట్ తీసేసాం కాబట్టి.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? So K is equals to 50 whole square into your 0.2 partition. 50 whole square, 5 5 is 25, isn't it? So this will be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to how much for me? 50 square అంటే ఎంతనా? 2500
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా?
Yes,
250.
sir. Yes, sir. 2500. Yes.
25. This one will be 0.2. 0.2 means 2 by 10. This
Yes,
one and
sir.
this one will
Yeah.
get cancelled. How much it is?
500, sir.
500. K value, how much I'm getting? 500 in Newton per meter. So now you know the total energy formula beta. So you know that total energy will be equal to your potential energy plus kinetic energy. Total energy formula in the half into K into your A square will be equal to potential energy is given in the problem beta. See how much he has given me the potential energy in the
0.4, sir.
problem.
0.
Potential energy is given as 0.4 and kinetic energy is given as of your 0.5. So this one is 0.4 plus of your 0.5.
0.5.
So this will be
0.
equal to
Yeah.
half into K value is 500 into amplitude will be equal to A square. 0.4 plus 0.5 enta?
0.9, sir.
0.9. So now if I simplify this one, see how much I'm getting. Amplitude A will be equal to, get 2 ones are, this one is 250 just.
250. Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? So
Yes,
A square is equals to 0.9 divided by 250.
250.
And this will become for me 9 by 2500.
500. Yes.
అంతేనా?
Yes,
అంటే
sir.
A will become for me, A will be equal to under
Under
root
root
of
of
your 9
9
by
by
2500. Root
Yes.
9 అంటే ఎంత?
3, sir.
3. Root 2500 అంటే
50.
ఇంతకుముందు వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ
50, sir. 50, sir.
అవునా కదా? సో 3 by
Yes, sir.
50. 3 by 50 అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు?
16.
0.06 meters వస్తుంది approximately. So got an idea how to calculate the amplitude when potential energy and kinetic energy are been given?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So you got it because from the frequency I have got the value, because frequency ichchadu mass ichchadu kabatti from that one I am getting the value of K, and he has given potential energy and kinetic energy is asking amplitude kabatti
From
we
that,
already know
we are
that
getting
total energy is equals to potential energy plus kinetic energy.
kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo fine. Next question chudna. Question number 4. The potential energy of a simple harmonic oscillator of mass 2 kg in its equilibrium position is 5 joules. Potential energy of a simple harmonic oscillator of mass 2 kg in its equilibrium position is 5 kg, 5 joules. That means equilibrium position means it may be at your mean position or extreme position.
Yes,
Equilibrium position kada net force must be equal to 0. That means mean.
Yes, sir.
There the potential energy is how much for me? 5 joules.
5.
If amplitude of the oscillation is given as a 0.01 meter and total energy is 9 joule, find the time period. Find the time period of your oscillation. So let us try to do this one. See, question number 4. Yeah. Now see, in SHM we know that total energy will be equal to how much beta? Total energy will be equal to sum of your kinetic energy plus of your potential energy. At mean position, kinetic energy is maximum. అవునా కదా? At mean position, kinetic energy is maximum part of relation. So at mean position, if I am writing right now, what are the given conditions beta right now? Can you tell me in the problem? Or the potential energy of the particle is given for me how much? 5 joules. And amplitude of the oscillation is 0 point, and total energy is given as of your 9 joules. That means total
Yes.
energy is 9 joules. That is equals to your, this one is your kinetic energy. Potential energy will be equal to how much for me? 5 joules. That means kinetic energy is coming out for me how much? 9 minus 5, that
4
will be
joules.
equal to 4 joules. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So maximum
Yes.
kinetic energy formula in the maximum kinetic energy formula is equals to half into m into a square into your omega square will be equal to 4. That means this
Yes.
will be equal to half into mass is given as of your 2 into amplitude is 0.01 whole square into your omega square, that is equals to 4. Everything is given from this one. I can get the value of your omega. So
Yes,
anything
sir.
is getting
Two to
cancelled in this one.
cancel.
You see,
Two and
E2 ఉండిపోతుందా? So this is 0.1 whole square అంటే ఎంత? 1 by 100.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? 1 by 100 whole square into your omega square into your, this one is nothing but also 1 by 100 and రాసుకున్నా ఇక్కడ. So this one is your 1 by 100 is equals to 4. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
1 by అంటే 0.01 omega square. అంటే omega can be written as of your 2 divided by ఎంత అవుతుంది అన్న స్క్వేర్ కదా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో can read as of your 100 whole square అంతే కదా. సో ఒక స్క్వేర్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ. సో దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ విల్ బికమ్ ఫర్ మీ హౌ మచ్ 100 పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంటే 0.01 అంతే కదా. 1/100.
yes sir
isn't it? So this will be the value of your
denominator లో ఉన్న 100 రెండుని ఒకటే చేసి
ఎందుకంటే స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది కదా ఇది. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్ ఫర్ మీ స్క్వేర్ రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా నేను 100 into 100 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ స్క్వేర్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కాబట్టి 0.01 అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. టైం పీరియడ్ ఎంత వస్తుంది చూడు దీంట్లోంచి. సో హౌ డు యు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద టైం పీరియడ్ ఫార్ములా బేటా? Time period formula is T is equals to 2 pi by over omega when I know the value of omega. So that is equals to 2 pi divided by omega value is 2 into this one is 0.01. Ante enta avutundi 2 gets cancelled there right now. So here this 2 will get cancelled. So this will become for me pi by 100 seconds. Vachinda?
Yes sir.
Chalo, fifth one. Which of the following statement is are correct? Kinetic energy at extreme position is always 0. Kinetic energy at the mean position is always 0. Kinetic energy at the mean position is always maximum. Potential energy at the mean position is always minimum. This is having multiple answers better.
Yes,
which of the following statement is are correct and not? Chudu.
Yes.
For the first manipulation, kinetic energy at extreme position is always 0. Ante kada extreme position final velocity is 0 kabatti kinetic energy is obviously will become 0. Kinetic energy at the mean position is always 0. No, this one is false. Let me also have the kinetic energy. It will be having the maximum kinetic energy.
Yes,
kinetic energy at the mean position is always maximum. That is correct.
Yes,
that is
sir.
your correct condition. Potential energy at the mean position is always minimum. Yes, potential
Yes,
energy
sir.
at the mean position is always minimum. So answer is A, C, and as well as of your D. Clear?
So actually yes sir. So only one is wrong.
One is wrong in that one. Okay na? A particle is executing the SHM with an amplitude A. When the potential energy of the particle is 1/4 of its maximum value during the oscillation, its displacement from the equilibrium position will be how much? Morning at 5 o'clock you can join better, maybe from next week, most probably.
Okay.
లేకపోతే రేపటి నుండి కూడా జాయిన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ బేసిక్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. ఐ థింక్ యూ మైట్ హావ్ బీన్ సీయింగ్ అండ్ అప్లోడింగ్ డైలీ వన్
Yes sir.
వీడియో.
Yes sir.
మనం నీకు ఒకవేళ లేస్తే వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ గెట్ సమ్ టైమ్ జస్ట్ కమ్ అండ్ లిసన్ ఇట్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఒకసారి రివిజన్ అయిపోతుంది.
Same ID right sir?
Same ID on the same ID manipulation for 40 minutes I'm taking right now. Almost like 70 to 80 students are attending in the morning.
Okay sir.
Not 1 or 2. It's almost like 35-40 members అయితే వస్తారు. ఇంకా మార్నింగ్ కదా లేయడం కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. But overall,
Yes.
strength of that one which is attending is 100. So maximum students till now which have been attended are 70-80 వస్తుంటారు. The last ending
Okay.
వరకు వాళ్ళు 80-100 వరకు అయితేనే ఉంటారు maximum 5 o'clock early morning. ఓకేనా?
Yes sir.
So
Yes.
మొత్తం నీట్ కి 2021 కి I'm trying to do the revision better there completely. Again
Okay,
from the
sir.
starting to the complete first year and second year. So first I'll be doing with vectors, units and dimensions,
Sir, so
kinematics.
రేపు ఏం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు సార్?
రేపు ఇంకా బేసిక్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ నడుస్తుంది అన్న. అగైన్ డిఫరెన్సియేషన్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ నడుస్తుంది. నీకు వస్తే మాత్రం లైట్, లేకపోతే మండే నుంచి జాయిన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Yes sir.
Tomorrow maybe most probably today I have been told how to do the exponents, how to take
Okay,
the decimals నుంచి fractions నుంచి decimals ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలా. నిన్న LCM చెప్పాను, how to take the LCM in shortest way, how to multiply in the shortest way. ఆ ట్రిక్స్ అన్ని చెప్పుకుంటూ పోయాను యాక్చువల్ గా నేను. ఫ్రాక్షన్స్
Sir, I'll watch the
యాడ్
videos.
చేయాలా.
I'll watch the videos of previous
Yeah,
classes.
if you can watch the video, so sort of revision అయిపోతుంది basic mathematics కూడా. Okay?
Yes.
Chalo, next question. Question number 6 చూడండి. And a particle is executing the SHM with an amplitude A when the potential energy of the particle is 1/4 of its maximum value during the oscillation. The displacement from the equilibrium position will be equal to your how much? Okay, so what is the given condition is asking? A particle is executing the SHM with an amplitude A when the potential energy of the particle is 1/4 of its maximum value. 1/4 of its maximum value. That means potential energy is equals to, I'll write here. This is your sixth one. For fifth one, what is the answer, beta? A, C, and D.
Yes.
For sixth one, you see right now, potential energy formula cheppo sir. Potential energy is equals to half into m into omega square into y square or
Yes.
x square, anything.
Yes.
Now given in the problem is what? Potential energy P dash is equals to 1/4 times of PE. That means that will become for me 1 by 4 into this one is 1 by 2 into
Half
m
into
into
omega.
omega square into y square.
Yes.
Antena?
Yes, sir.
Potential energy is equals to this much for the given condition. Okay. Maximum
Yes,
kinetic
sir.
energy. ఏమన్నాడు? Maximum value for the when the potential energy of the particle is 1/4 of its maximum value. Maximum value అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమైపోతుంది? 1 by 4 of your half into your m into omega square y బదులు that will become for me your e square. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
1 by
Yes,
4th
sir.
of your this potential energy. This is not this one. This is correct only. Potential energy is equals to 1 by 4 times of your maximum potential energy. That means this will be y maximum value will be equal to amplitude kada. So this will be equal to
Yes,
your is. Now equate both of this equation. This is equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. So potential energy will be equal to your how much for me? This one is your half into m into your omega square into your y square is equals to 4 2s are 8 into m into omega square into your e square.
Yes.
M square m will get cancelled. So this will become for me how much? Y square by your 2. Y square divided by 2 is equals to your how much for me? A square divided by your 8. That means 2 1s are 2 4s are. So y will become for me how much? A by
Yes, sir. A by 4. A by 2.
A by
Sorry.
2. A by 2. This amplitude may be positive or negative. So y can be equal to plus or minus of your A by 2. From mean to extreme,
Yes.
extreme to your mean. Maybe this side or maybe other side, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Question number 7. A particle starts oscillating simple harmonically from its mean position with a time period of capital T. The ratio of kinetic energy and potential energy of the particle at a time t is equals to capital T by 12 is how much? Very important model beta. This is a good question. You need to do it out. So this is a star mark for this one. A particle starting oscillating simple harmonically from its equilibrium position with the time period t. The ratio of kinetic energy and the potential energy of the particle at a time t is equals to your t by 12 will be equal to your how much? That means when the particle is oscillating better, like say, how do you write the potential energy formula? Can you tell me? Potential energy formula will be equal to potential energy is equals to half into k into your x square.
Yes, sir.
The same way right now, potential kinetic energy will be equal to how much for me? Kinetic energy is equals to half into your k into this will be your a square minus of your x square. X is nothing but what? Displacement. In a simple harmonic motion, how do you write the value of x? X is equals to your a into your sine of your theta. So that is equals to your a into sine. Theta will be equal to how much for me? Omega into theta. So that is equals to your a into your sine into omega is nothing but 2 pi by capital T into time is given how much for me beta? Capital T by 12. Capital T by 12. So this T will get cancelled. So this is a 2 1s, this is a 2 6. So this one is your a into your sine pi by enta
6.
Sine pi by 6 అంటే ఎంత నాన్న? అంటే 180 by 6.
Yes.
ఎంత అవుతుంది?
30 sir.
30 sin 30 ఎంత?
1 by 2 sir.
1 by 2 అంటే a by 2. అంటే x value ఎంత వచ్చింది? X value is equals to your a by 2. So that value we can substitute there right now, isn't it? So that will give me the answer. He's asking the ratio ne kada? Ratio of your kinetic energy divided by your potential energy. So that will be equal to kinetic energy enta vastundi chudandi ikkada. So if I'm simplifying right now this one is half into k into this one is a square minus x. X value is nothing but of your a square divided by 4. Divided by this one is your half into k into this one is nothing but of your a by 2 whole square. This half k will get cancelled. Dintla a square and a square will get cancelled right now. So it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is how much?
3 by 4.
3 by 4 divided by 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Yes.
Anagadi 2 square kabatti. So enta avutundi?
3:1 sir.
3:1. That will be the answer. Okay, na?
But there they actually gave us the x sir in the first question.
The first one is given already for me the x kabatti it was very easy for me. But right now he has given me the time. So we need to understand that how to calculate the value of x with respect to time. Our logic mark undali.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Got it sir. Yes.
That is the given condition. This is a question number 7. Now let us try to go for the next question. Question number 8. Okay. Starting from the origin, a body oscillating simple harmonically with a period of 2 seconds. After what time will its kinetic energy will be 75% of the total energy? ఒకవేళ స్టాప్ అయిపోతే రీజాయిన్ బెట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఎంత టైం ఉంది ఇంకా?
సార్ ఇంకేం రాలేదు సార్ యాక్చువల్‌గా.
Okay, chalo, no problem. Chalo, what is the condition చూడండి ఇక్కడ right now, eighth one ki? So starting from the origin, a body is oscillating simple harmonically with a period of how much for me? 2 seconds. And a time period is given how much for me? Or 2 seconds part affiliation. Capital T is given for me how much? 2 seconds. Uh, After what time will its kinetic energy will be 75% of your total energy? Okay, that means kinetic energy is 75% of your total energy part affiliation. Now see here, how do you write the kinetic energy, beta? Kinetic energy of a particle formula in the kinetic energy will be equal to your half into m into omega square into x. X value is nothing but a square into your cos square omega into t.
Yes.
Why omega? Cos అనేది మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ చూడు, body is starting from origin, a body is oscillating simple harmonically with a period of 2 seconds. After what time will its kinetic energy will be 75% of its total energy? That means the kinetic energy of a body is undergoing SHM, and that is given by the relation. Kinetic energy is, what is the formula? Half into m into omega square into a square into cos square omega t. This is a standard formula. What is the
Yes.
total energy formula, beta? Total energy formula is half into your m into your omega square into your e square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now given in the problem is how much for me? Kinetic energy is equals to 75% of your total energy. 75% matlab 75 divided by 100
100.
into total energy is half into m into your omega square into your a square. So kinetic energy I'll write here right now. So this one is half into m into your omega square into your a square into your cos square of your omega into t, that is equals to 75 by your 100 into this one is half into m into omega square into your a square. Anything is getting cancelled, you see here, half omega square, half of this one will get cancelled. A square and a square is also getting cancelled. So cos square omega t will be equal to how much, beta? 75 divided by 100. 75 divided by 100 ఎంత?
7.
3 by 4 కదా?
Yes, sir. 3/4.
అంతే కదా, 3/4. అంటే cos omega t ఎంత అవుతుందన్న? Cos omega t will become how much for me? Cos of your omega t will be equal to plus or minus, this will become for me √3 divided by, this will become for me 4. So √4 is nothing but 2.
2. Yes, sir.
అంతేనా? So cos of omega t is equals to plus or minus of √3. That means omega t will be equal to your how much for me? Pi/6. అంతే కదా?
Yes,
For
sir.
what value of cos it is √3/2, beta? This one is of your cos
30, sir.
pi/6. Cos 30 ఎంత?
√3/2, sir.
అంతే కదా? ఈ cos
Yes,
ఈ cos
sir.
ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోయింది కాబట్టి omega t is equals to pi/6. Omega
Yes.
value is how much, beta? Omega value is equals to your 2 pi by your capital T into your small t is equals to your pi by your 6. This pi
Yes.
and this pi will get cancelled there right now. Then this will be equal to how much for me? Small t is equals to your, this capital T will go up right now. So 6 into 2, this will become for me 12. So this
Yes.
is the time formula. Okay, now
Yes.
what is the value of capital T, beta? Small t will be equal to capital T ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు మనకు problem లో? Time period is 2
2.
seconds. So that one is a 2/12. That means that will become for me how much? 1/6 seconds. 1/6 seconds is the answer. Option on the other side.
Yes,
1
sir.
by
First option.
seconds. First option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one, dude. A particle is executing the simple harmonic motion at an instant. The particle is at the midpoint of the mean and extreme position. What is the potential energy in terms of your total energy? Very good question again. A particle is executing the SHM at an instant. The particle is at the midpoint of the mean and extreme position. What is the potential energy in terms of your
A/2.
total energy? A particle is executing SHM is at what, beta? Is at the midpoint of
A/2, sir.
by 2. Very good. So that will be equal to A/2. So this is your question number 9. Yeah. So x is equals to how much for me? Your A/2. That is given in the problem. Midpoint of mean and extreme. So potential energy will be equal to how much, beta? Half into k into your x square. So that will be equal to your how much for me? That will be equal to your how much for me? You see, and the problem a particle is executing at any point. What is the potential energy in terms of total energy? Okay. in terms of total energy రావాలంటే what I can do, this one is nothing but of your ఇదెంత అవుతుందన్న half into k into x value is nothing but of your
A
a by 2 whole square.
Oh,
అంతేనా? So this will
Yes.
become for me equal to your half into k into a square into your 1 by 4. అవునా? That means this will
Yes.
become for me 1 by 4 times of your half into k into your a square. So half into k into a square is total energy కదా?
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? That means this
Yes.
will become for me how much? E by 4. So potential energy will become how much for me? E by 4. వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Total energy formula beta. E is equals to half into k into a square కదా?
Yes,
It is
sir.
nothing but half into m into omega square into
Okay,
your
so
a
this
square.
writing that as E and E by 4. Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's it. అంతే కదా? ఇది మొత్తాన్ని E
Yes,
లో
sir.
రాసుకుంటాం. Total
Yes.
energy. So answer is E by 4. So that he has given in terms of E కాబట్టి it is your E by 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the next one. The potential energy of the particle of mass 1 kg in motion along your x-axis is given by U is equals to 4 into 1 minus cos 2x, where x is in meters. The period of the small oscillations in seconds will be equal to your how much? The potential energy is given for me. So once you know the energy, can I calculate the force from that one? Because it's asking the time period. So time period formula మనం ఇంకా చెప్పలేదు కదా. General time period formula ఏందన్న? So
2 pi
general
by
time period formula is T is equals to your, I already అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి కాలేజ్ లో
2 pi
2
by
pi under root of your x by your e in terms of
Yes.
acceleration.
Yes.
Okay. Now given for me what? U. U is given how much for me? Potential energy is given as a function of U is equals to 4 into, this one is 4 into 1 minus of cos of enta 2x.
Yes.
Antena?
sir. Yes. sir. Okay.
This one is your 2x. So you know that force will be
2x.
equal to how much better? Negative potential gradient minus of your
Sir,
du by dx. So that is equals to minus of d. U value is a function of x kabatti. This is 4 into 1 minus of your cos x divided by your dx. In this one, 4 is nothing but of your constant. So
Sir, why have you taken cos x, sir? Means 2x.
దేంట్లో ఇచ్చాడు వాడు? cos 2x ఇచ్చాడు కదా, సారీ నేను తప్పు
Yes.
రాశాను. cos 2x, this one is also cos 2x. Okay, so f will be equal to, so this 4 will be coming out kada, so this will be equal to minus 4. Differentiation of 1 is nothing but 0. Difference equal to your 2x into your sin x.
Yes. sir.
2 awesome, only 2 kada,
Yes.
isn't
sir.
it? So this will be equal to your this one. అంటే ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? 4 into 2 means this will be equal to minus 8 into sin of your, this x value will be equal to how much for me? 2x only. This value will be equal to 2x only. మరోసారి రాస్తాను చూడు, దీనిలో 4 బయట తీసుకొచ్చేసాను. I brought this out. I'm differentiating 1. 1 differentiation is 0. Differentiation of
0,
cos
yes.
2x is nothing but how much for me? So this is like something.
Sin.
So this is how much for me? 2x.
Yes. sir.
అంతే కదా. So this will be equal to minus of your 8 into sin of your 2x. Chain rule apply చేస్తున్నాను. So this
Yes.
is the value of your force. So acceleration will be equal to how much for me? Force by mass. That is minus of your 8 into your sin of your 2x divided by mass ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు అన్న? Particle of
1
mass
kg,
1
sir.
kg. So it is your 1 kg kabatti. This one is minus of your 8 into sin of your 2x is your acceleration. Now for small oscillations, I can tell you that for small oscillations, sin 2x can be approximated to, therefore acceleration will become how much better? Minus of your, ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు సార్? This will become for me 8 into, this one is 2x. That means this will become for me 8 to the 16 into your x. So this will be
Yes.
the acceleration. So once I know the acceleration, you know that acceleration is directly proportional to your displacement in the opposite direction. Antena?
Yes. sir. Yes. sir.
So from this one I can calculate the time period. T is equals to 2 pi under root of your x by your e. So that is equals to 2 pi under root of your, this one is nothing but of your x divided by acceleration. Acceleration is how much for me? Minus of your 16 into x. ఇది వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, రూట్ లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి that will become for me positive.
Force, sir.
So
Yes.
this minus sign indicates only direction better, nothing to do with the calculation purpose. So the
Yes.
time period will become for me how much better? 2 pi under root of 1 by 16. This one is 2 pi under
5
root
by
of
4.
1 by 16. 1 by 16 and enter రాయొచ్చు.
Sir, 4, sir. 1 by
4. So t is equals to 2 pi
2
divided
by
by 4.
4.
So 2 ones are, this is 2 twos are. So time
Pi by
period
2.
will be equal to your pi by 2 seconds. So this is your time period. Achinda,
Yes, sir.
all the questions are clear.
Yes, sir.
College లో ఏం నడుస్తుందా ఇప్పుడు?
Sir, actually, yesterday we didn't have physics class, sir.
ఓకే. టైం పీరియడ్ నేను చేయాలన్నా నైట్ ఏమన్నా నీకు టైం ఉంటే ఒకసారి చెప్పు, ఒక 1 hour చేసుకుందాం.
Okay, sir. Sir, 6 to
నైట్
7.
ఎందుకు టైం పీరియడ్ కూడా కావాలి కదా, లేదు మనకు టైం ఉంది అనుకుంటే విల్ ట్రై టు డూ ఇట్ అవుట్ నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
Okay, sir. Sir means 6 to 7. Okay, sir.
6 to 7
అంటే
వస్తావా?
ఈవినింగ్ మీరు అన్నారు కదా సార్.
ఈ రోజు ఈవినింగ్ 6 to 7 వీలైతే రా, మరి ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇంకా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్, ఇంకా 20 minutes ఉంది కదా, చేసుకుందాం కదా.
ఓకే సార్, చేసేసుకుందాం సార్.
అదే పని అయిపోతుంది, అయినంత వరకు చేద్దాం, దాని తర్వాత చూద్దాం మరి ఎట్లయితే.
ఓకే.
ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నా నేను, దెన్ విల్
Okay,
ట్రై టు
sir.
గో వన్ మోర్ సెషన్, అగైన్ రీజాయిన్ ఇట్.
ఓకే సార్.
Let me just stop it.